Wait a minute. Oh wait, time's not. It's not time yet. Hold on. Go back to the loading screen. Oop. Hello, Demi. How are you, Demi? Big brain, yes. I'm good, and you, Demi? Hello, Shu. Oh, Flab, welcome to the classroom. Welcome to Mrs. Nana's classroom. Yeah, totally. Okay, yeah, it is time. Is it time? Oh, on time 8. 8. Okay, let's put music on. You like the music? Emotional damage. Today. Hello, welcome to my stream. Welcome today. Yes. Today we're going to have emotional damage. Okay? Emotional damage. How are you guys? Oh wait, I'm very big. Hold on. Give me a minute. Getting a little bit confused of things. Okay, there we go. This is perfect. Hello, Derpy. Hi, Loki. Emotional damage. I will be late to VELTY. I'm eating right now. No problem, Harry. No problem. Hi, goodness me. I have not done calculus for a long time. I'm scared. We gotta get a refresher. I haven't done math for a long time too. So, gonna practice today. Gonna practice and check if I still have my brain still working. We're gonna check if our brains are still working today, and if high school is really a or high school and uni is really not a waste of a time. Hi Charlie, welcome. Hi Alexander, welcome to the stream. Welcome to my classroom. VELTY, hey, hello. Big brain time, very big brain. Yes, today I shall have a very short stream because I have realized after my previous streams that doing long educational streams is it's really not really good at retention, audience retention. If that makes sense. Unless you guys obviously are still engaged, then we shall continue until 2 hours, but from what I've seen, I think maybe an hour and a half is more than enough time for us to get through all the work. I have not planned what to do today, but let's read what I have to do today. Differential calculus. We're gonna go through the rules. We're gonna go through differentiation rules, the product rule, quotient rule, chain rule, also some trig, derivatives are trigonometric functions. Yes, big brain stuff. Today we will not be going through the first principle because yeah, too tedious and long, and I'm not ready for that. Hi Cinderquero, welcome to the stream. Hi, went to hell. Today we will test if we really are big brain, and if we will be of if we really, well, some of us, not all of us, but if we really are Asian. Big brain, let's go. So many rules, so little time. Well, I have a textbook next to me because I'm not a teacher. I'm just here to see if I know my stuff, to check if I still remember all my stuff. Revising a bit. Yes, I hope my students will be on good behavior today, because if you're not, I'ma throw toilet paper at you. And then second warning, I will bonk you with a banana. And then third warning, I'll kick you to the underworld, okay? Okay? Capiche? Okay, cool. Now that we understand the rules in our classroom, we can begin. You know, do many things, you know, toilet paper. Well, I like these rules. There are lots of rules today. But the classroom rule is of priority. So, let us start, shall we? Okay, let's do this. Don't judge my handwriting, okay? Today I've been writing a lot. Oh wait, no, I didn't write a lot. My hands are weak because I tried cooking today. Yeah. Velty doesn't know how to cook. She was using a knife and her hand is super weak now. Let's hope I can spell. There you go. I remember this. I have to tell you this story. There's this one time when I remember in school, I was talking to my friend and they were like, English is so much easier than maths. You just have to read words in maths, in English. And then I was like, but you just need to know numbers in maths. It's just so funny. You really just... Maths is easy. It's easier than English because you just need read numbers, right? Right? Maths isn't as hard as English, right? No. From my experience, it's super hard. I find maths easier. I also find maths easier. Long time ago, I started talking about toilet paper and I never knew you at that time, but now we are besties. Yes. If Vol's cat car has an initial velocity of 100,000 bodies per second, each body is 1.6 meters. She reaches the end of the bodies at a speed of 1 body per second. How long did it take her? Why are you testing my knowledge, my skills, Loki? Do not question the teacher. The teacher knows everything. You know what the answer to that question is, Loki? Velty. That's the answer. Everything, every answer, as long as you put Velty, you will get the marks. Okay, let's actually do maths. School maths was easier than English, not anymore. I don't even speak English. It's hard for me. What do you speak, Alec? I'm curious. Anyways, so finding gradients from the first principle is quite tedious. So we will be using rules of differentiation, and because they're much easier to use. So yeah, let us start. So if we have, let's say we have fx, right? Fx. And we have to find derivative of it. If that thingy over there. I'm a great teacher, oh my goodness. Okay, so very simple stuff first. Let's just say x squared, and the derivative is 2x. Now, if you have not gone through this section yet, do not fret. I will go through the section thoroughly. But for the people who have already learned the section, which I hope some of you have already, because I know some of you guys are well over the age of 10. This will serve as a review, a revision. Okay. Then we got x3. What is that? What is that? The derivative of x cubed. That is 3x. Oh my gosh, so mind blowing. Oh my gosh, this is mind blowing. This maths right here, changing the world. Okay. Anyways, okay, that's just a refresh. Okay. All right, let's do rule rule number 1. Okay. Rule number 1. Wait, I need to get my let me make sure that everyone sees everything. 3 to the power of 3x to the power of 2. Empress, wait, my valid question is insolvable, I think. I don't say how many bodies there were. I did? Oh! Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. 2x... Oh wait, it's 2x. Okay, wait, sorry. Sorry, that's not. Oh my gosh, I just showed the whole world how dumb I am. Okay. Now we got it. Okay. Sorry, I think I just lost like 10 people. They're like, oh my gosh, this Velty doesn't know what she's doing. Oh no, not Asian. Hiya, Ling. It's about drive, it's about power. We are hungry, we devour. X. Okay, anyways, rule 1. Are you guys following? Mrs. Nana would like to see that her students are listening by giving a thumbs up every time I say everything good, okay? Okay, anyways, rule number 1. So let's say if we say if x equals k, let's use k as a constant. K x to the power of n, right? So example of that would be, let's say, for example, we if x is equal to 8x cubed, right? Oh wait, you can't see that. Oh gosh, no. The board is not. You cannot see the whole board. There we go. There we go. If x equals 8x cubed, then if derivative of fx equals, so we have k, the constant from the original function, and that times n, x to the power of n minus 1. So that is the rule. So for example, if we use fx, if fx equals 8x cubed, then f derivative of the function is 8 times 3 x 3 minus 1. Following? Everything good? And the answer to that is 24x to the x squared. Fx n is just a number. What the hell? We're just using n as like it's a symbol for any number. Whatever is at n will be n minus 1 in the derivative. 8x cubed, yeah. Shouldn't that be if x and... Oh, I just read that. Yeah. Everyone follow along? Everything good? Checking if my students understand. We will take this slowly if you do not. Not sure you follow? Anyone want me to re-explain? I don't mind re-explaining. So if the function is k being the constant, x being the x unknown value, and then n being a random number, then the derivative of x, if the function is k times n, x to the power of n minus 1. Oh, and for now is always a constant. Okay. Thank you for re-explain. No problem. I'm halfway to rocket surgery at this point. We're all gonna become amazing people after this stream. I feel like Loki's checking like if I understand the stuff myself. I'm sorry, Loki. I am very big brain, but not as big of a brain as you. Okay, let's continue. Right, and then we have rule 2. Rule 2. So if fx equals kx, then the derivative of the function is k. So it's almost the same as rule 1. It's just kind of like a carry on, but if it doesn't have, so for example, if so kx, okay, this is rule 1 again. If kx if the function is kx, then it's basically kx to the power of 1, because anything to the power of 1 is itself, you know? So then if we use rule 1 again, then the derivative would be k times 1 x to the power of 1 minus 1, and then that would equal k x to the power of 0. Anything to the 0 is 1. So therefore, it is k because x becomes 1, and then that equals k. So that kind of like explains it. Sort of. Loki is doing this work right now as well. Ah, I see. I don't know what he just wrote there. Okay, anyways, I hope that explains it. I'ma wrap it up. Everything good? Because k is just a constant. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's get an example, shall we? So if fx equals 9x, then derivative would be 9. Simple. Got it? Hi, Aki. Welcome. Hi, Thomas. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. He will respawn in a few hours. Oh gosh, no. Oh no. By the way, how's everyone's day going? Besides this depressing maths, this emotional damage. Rocket ship formulas are complete. Yes. Isn't plus C for the integration Aki? Ariaki. My day has, thank you, Velty. No problem. Just checking your emotional health. Okay. Then we got rule 3. Rule 3. Let's go. So if fx equals k, right? Then fx, the derivative equals 0. Simple, simple. Do you know why? Is that easy to see why it is equal to 0? My day is me trying to figure out why somebody used Fleming Soldier on this PCB. I am not comprehending what you're saying, Derpy. Am I just not big brain enough to understand? I have a headache, but not from the math stream. Was earlier, so I'm alright. Okay, Flab. I hope this doesn't make it any worse. I'm hoping to fix some of my gaps in maths, but personally, I have to see some things application in order to learn it. It's calculus. It is calculus, Aki. Why would someone solder onto their PC to begin with? Hi, no name brand. Hi, welcome. Okay, if I had to explain this like rule 1 again. Rule 1 being, oh, oopsie, k in n if x equals k times n x n minus 1. Okay, remember that. Then if x is k, then let's go here, and then k would be k times k times n, which is nothing, so it equals 0. Wait, what? How do I explain this, Loki? I don't think we can use rule 1. Never mind. Basically, x does not exist, and therefore it is 0. Does that make sense? I was on a roll and then I couldn't explain further. I haven't done this since high school. This is literal wizardry to me. That's a good thing, I guess. We find old things fascinating again. Things we've done before fascinating again. Like today, I've discovered Stephen He, and his videos are making me laugh so hard. It makes sense to me to envision it on the graph, because when you just have k, then it's a flat line. Same. I struggle lots with this topic, hehe. But I can do some maths. I only know how to calculate radiation dosage. Wow. Well, if n is 0, because 0 to the front and multiply by 0. Well, it's not really 0, Babaka, because if n equals 0, then x equals 1. Oh, wait. Oh. I'm a baka. I'm a baka, I just realized. Yeah, because... Wait. That just equals... that. Then there we go. N equals 0. Okay. I feel like I'm being taught by my novelties more than I'm my darlings more than I'm being than me teaching my underlings. Oh no. Oh no. I think I'm gonna have emotional damage after today. Okay, anyways, let's continue. Okay, exponent and third definitions which are required for doing differentiation. So, some things we should keep in mind of. Okay. Let's write exponents and third definitions. I hope you guys can read my handwriting because it literally looks like a doctor's handwriting. Okay. Right. So, xn over a. Now, these are kind of like things that will help you. So if you write it out, it will make differentiation, doing derivatives easier. So we can rewrite this as 1 over a. So that could be the k. In the rules, replace k with 1 over a. X, n. So these kind of like just put the equation into the format that we know it in the rules. So that being kx to the power of n. So yep, that's that. Then let's see b. That's an a. Yes, it's an a. Quality doctor confirmed. I'm so big brain, I am a doctor, yes. Students who ask questions become good students, which means the teacher is a good teacher. Ah, I see. I'm so sorry. My handwriting is so bad. It's an A. It's an A. It's not a Q. It's an A. Oh my gosh, my handwriting is the reason why my students will fail. No. What a horrible thought. Okay. Rewrite this in the form we see over here. Actually, let me write it out. This is the format. Okay. That we want. How are we gonna turn that into that? Students who ask questions get put on the naughty list and get bad grades. No, when to hell? No. Although I never ask questions in class because I flips hair. I understood everything except for science. I want to be teacher's pet. Like you can be my teacher pet. My pet, basically. I thought it was 9 at first and you said 8, but it was 8 and said 8. Are we gonna get a math test at the end of this lesson? Yes, we are gonna have a math lesson. I am gonna put up a poll. Now I have a poll that I can put up because I have one. Because yeah, I got the privilege. Okay, let me continue though. So that would be in the format that we want it to be. N is a x to power of negative n. Because anything to negative n is like how do I explain? Let's say 1 over x, right? That would equal x negative 1. That's just the rule that I know. I don't know how exactly to explain it any further, but that's kind of like something to keep in mind of. Buck is the type of girl to ask the teacher to check the homework. No, never. Even though I was smart, I rather have the whole grade liking me. Thank you very much. Velty, I don't understand. You don't explain much. But I kind of explained in the beginning. Oh no. Hans, welcome to the stream. Goeiedag. Hello. Welcome. Welcome. There is a better way to explain that. Okay. 1 over x equals 1 divided by x. That's all I can think of. What else can I go? How do I go further in this? How do I go further in this? Baka? Baka Loki? When you move an exponent above the division line, the exponent gets the opposite sign. 1 over x, the x has an exponent of 1. Okay, that's a better way to explain it then. 1 over x has a power of 1. Therefore, if you move it up the division line, it becomes x negative 1. It's okay, Hagaromo. That's why I'm here. I'm the cute anime girl that will force you to do maths. So you can pass in school and become doctors and lawyers and powerful people so that once I dominate the world, we can work together. That is not my intention of this stream, by the way. So when it goes over the line, then 1 changes to a negative 1. That's a good way to explain it, Loki. Okay. Forced? Oh, no, definitely not forced. I didn't mean it in that way at all. Why do I have my demon arm out? Wait, hold on. I'm innocent. Okay, let's continue. Right. Let's go to C. A over B. X to power of n equals. Now, if you want to put it in that format, kx to power of n, we just move the x out of the denominator. So it becomes a over b. Then we move x up to the numerator. So basically it becomes x to power of negative n because it went up the division line as Loki said. So the exponent becomes the opposite sign, which is negative n. I'm the cute Arrow girl that will force you to do maths. Cute Arrow girl forcing us to do maths. Yes. I am forcing you. Are you not watching my stream? Do not leave the stream, okay? But you are watching the stream, so I have said facts. Screenshot these to take notes. They are important. Very important. Okay, let's continue, shall we? Now, we shall do more, but I ran out of space, so I have to rub them all out. If you guys want to keep these notes, you guys can watch the VOD. I'm not sure. I don't know if I switched off DVR or not. Okay, let's continue. Then we got D. This is a continuation. A over bx to the power of n. Now, some people might go, like times the exponents. Me, AD, and me and Flav are dying in BC right now. Hi, Akira. Welcome to my stream. Thank you so much, Akira. Hi, Krieger Gamer. Welcome to my stream. Hello. Hello, Harry. Welcome back to the stream. Okay, let's continue. Hi, Didi. Welcome to the stream. Oh my gosh, I'm saying hi to everyone. Some people might times out the exponent, but you could just do this. Let me show you. You can just say a times x negative n, like that. How's smart Velty doing? I'm very smart. Yes, very smart. Alright, let's move on. Let's go to E. So A over... Let me just write it out. Okay, so if you look at that, the way you would do this is... So we know that A over x, you can change it to m over n, to power of m over n. Because let me show you. Let's say this is like another rule. So that thingy over there, don't really know how to say it out. That also it's the same as saying x to the power of m over n. Here's the first Loki. Oh, you got a YouTube channel, Alexander. That's good. What kind of content are you making? X to the power of m over n. And now, if we had to change it to the if you wanted to change this to the format that we usually do it, so that we can do the rules, that would equal a times x to the power of... Now, since you're gonna put it up to numerator, the exponent will become the opposite sign, so equals negative m over n. Yes. Following along? Everything good? Thumbs up? Good? Everything good? Not gonna lie, I wish Velty was my maths teacher in middle school. I would have made maths really fun. My first game I did is Crisis 3 Remastered, and I done Outlast. I'm doing Outlast Whistleblower full game. Damn. You gotta be really good at censoring things. A to the power... ax to the power of negative m over n. Yes, Charlie. Good, good. Thumbs up. Ooh. Okay. Now, this is the last thing we should keep in mind. And a x m. Okay, that thing over there, that equation over there. So if we had to put it in this format over here, we would have to say m a times... Now this is the same as wait, am I doing this right? Yeah, I'm doing this right. As this. So we're just gonna split it up, the constant and the x. I've had a hard time with algebra in high school. I can only do the basics and a little bit of exponents. Ah, I see. No problem. This cute anime girl will get you knowing maths again. I don't know what I'm saying. Wait, what? Wait, eh? N root A, N root M. N root A? N root... N root A, N root XM. Well, it's the power of M. So they're both A and X to the power of M are root M. So then when you split it up, it's just you times them, if that makes sense. If they're under the same root, you can put them under the same root, and you can split it up with the multiplication. We'll teach about you soon. You can determine the curvature of your favorite waifu's chest. Oh my gosh, lucky. Yes. I guess so. The power of her IC. That's good. That's good. So yeah, that would equal, if we wanted to put in the formula in the format, it would be n 8 root n times x to the a negative to the power of negative m over n. Sorry, I have to move aside. Yes, like that. Everyone understand so far? Thumbs up. Good. You can figure out breast sizes. You can figure out the curve. Yes. Figure out the curves of my glasses, the curves of my horns, the curves of every inch of my hair. Yes. N root at times x negative m over n. Thumbs middle. Oh my gosh. Thumbs middle? What do you mean thumbs middle? Charlie, I thought you were putting up your middle finger. I was like, what? Not gonna lie, Velty looks good with glasses. Thank you so much, Harry. We can figure out Velty and 3D model her. One day 3D model will come. Alright, let's continue, shall we? So now we got that out of the way. Exponents and surd definitions. We can continue with our rules. Okay. Here are further rules of differentiation. Rule number 4, the product rule. Alright, this will become a little bit more difficult than the previous rules that we did. And I hope you guys can follow along. Follow along with Velty. Yes. Right, I'm gonna write the equations, the questions in a different format now. So we will write it as that, like this. Let me show you. Now this is like there are different symbols that you can use to represent gradients. So I will be showing you like the different ways of writing the symbol of writing these symbols. Yeah. So this is another way to write it. Now we have 2 functions that we're going to be working with. Product rules, quotient rules, chain rules. They have like 2 functions with them, or at least 2 or more. For example, fx times gx. Welcome to the club, Big G. Multi math is so good. I sat because I don't is don't history? Don't worry, Hageromo. This does all sound vaguely familiar. I'm sure I knew it once. Yeah. Alright. So if we were gonna find the gradient, then we would say, so this is different. This is like inside the brackets is the actual like equation. That is kind of like the equation that we have to differentiate to get the gradient. This formula is pain. Alright, so that would be if, so this is the rule, okay? It will be the derivative of fx times the derivative of x. So if you can, okay, I'll explain further. Wait, let me write this smaller. That would equal that. So this is the rule, the product rule. Okay? Very important. Very, very important. Gotta listen to this, okay? The product rule is very, very, very important. Repeat after me. Very important. Every rule is very important, including this one. Very, very important. Okay, let's continue. Now, let's expand this further, okay? Now let's say we have fx times gx times, let's say hx. Nice, nice, Flav. Charlie, good students. Monkey, listen. If you were sine to the power of 2x and I was cos to the power of 2x, then together we'd make 1. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, sine to the power of sine x squared. Sine x squared, if I oh my gosh, I can't speak. If you were sine x squared and I was cos x squared, then together we'd make 1. Very nice, Harry. I had to re-say it because I realized I said it wrong. That's a really funny joke, Harry. Smooth. Math is very important. A guy stole me. Me equals 1 plus 1 equals 1. Velty, are you cosine? Because I need a tan. Oh my gosh. And trig ones are hard. Charlie, why are you doing it times me? I don't know if that joke makes sense. I'm not sure, but I mean, you're still using mathematical terms, so I guess it doesn't really have to make sense. Silence, I'm sorry. Anyways, let's move on. Velty is the best teacher? Ah, yes, I am the best teacher. Okay, I need to continue. I'm getting distracted by you guys. Alright, so if we use the same knowledge over here and apply it here, we would get f derivative of f times gx times hx plus fx g derivative of gx hx plus fx gx times derivative of hx. Making sense? Okay. So, if we look at this carefully, right? We got this here, right? We got fx here. And we got... So let me explain it a little bit better. Then we got gx here. We got like, I guess 2 terms, like two equations, and so we gotta like tackle each one of them. Basically, it's like tackling each one of them separately and adding them together. So you tackle the first fx, you're making a derivative, and then you leave gx. Now we're gonna tackle gx. So we say plus, and then we only work on gx. So then it's fx times gx. I mean, derivative of gx. Making sense. I could barely keep up. I can't stop giggling. But yes. So you basically tackle it here, right? And then you leave gx. And then you tackle this one here. And then you... I mean, not this one, not this one, not this one. Then you tackle this one here. And you leave fx. Understand? Understand? I wonder, can Velty turn into a bean? Can I turn into a bean? I am a bean already. I kind of want to tackle gx. Why do you want to tackle gx? What have gx done to you, huh? What has he ever done to you? Alright, so if that makes sense. I also like Mass Alexander. If that makes sense, we shall move on. That is the product rule. Basically, in summary, tackle each one of them separately. But you still should keep all the other components in the equation every time you add them. Will I do integrations one day? One day, Loki. Alright, next. Let's do rule number 5. We got the quotient rule. Also very important. Very important. Got it? Okay. We don't want emotional damage here. Quotient rule. Now I'm gonna use the same symbol as I did last time. Now quotient rule deals with kind of like fractions, divisions. Here is it. There we go. Fx over gx. Basically, fx divided by gx. So the rule is like this. Derivative of fx over gx is the derivative of fx times gx minus fx times gx, to the derivative of gx over gx squared. Now that's just the rule. Do not ask me why, because I do not know why that is that's a thing. But yeah, that's maths for you. That is the quotient rule. Now, sorry, I was just reading the comments. There are 7 quotients on Earth. Wait, this isn't a this isn't geography. No. I never do quotient. I just take it up and do chain and product. I see. Okay. Times gx minus fx times gx tiny 1 over over gx squared. Woke up. What did I miss? Oh my gosh. Student Shu has fallen asleep. How should I deal with him? I throw toilet paper. It's coming your way, Shu. I throw toilet paper at you. That rule. It frightens me. I remember there was this one time. Now don't be like teacher Nana, okay? There's this one time when the teacher gave us like a pub quiz just randomly, and we never went through differentiation in class that year. Never. And I forgot like everything from the previous year. I just knew about rule 1 that we learned just now, and I used that rule for everything that we did, every single question, and I calculated everything out. And I was wondering how everyone in class finished their test in 5 minutes. So it was all like product and quotient rules, and I did rule 1. I did it for everything, and then I calculate everything out. I punched it in my calculator and found the exact answers. Oh my gosh, I was so dumb. After that day, I was like, yo, I really need to preview the work that we do or something. Hello, Terrence. Math didn't help me at work. Math made me feel like a failure. Don't worry, we can deal with failure. I am an expert at failure management due to my own experiences. I tried doing it in my head. For some reason, I think high school maths in South Africa is pretty easy. At least up until grade 12. Grade 11, I found it really easy. I don't want to brag, but I know that when I did the exams, I always had an hour to spare to check my answers, and we couldn't leave, so I was able to check my answers majority of the time, like my exams and stuff. Majority of the time I could check it like twice. Hello, welcome to the stream. I forgot how to say your name again. I'm so sorry. I just it's hard to remember. My attention's not in maths, it's in games. No problem. We all have priorities, and that's fine. As long as we know that the priorities and the habits are good habits, healthy habits. Essay math is ease. That's why essay uni hard. An hour? I had 1 second. Pop quiz. How long does it take to beat someone to death? Bam. Time's up. I'm dead. Oh no. Emotional damage. Clock damage. That's so funny. Oh my gosh. I haven't been here since the other math stream. Sorry. No problem. Welcome to the stream though. Alec is so funny. Alec, you're really funny. You should really become a comedian. Ah, Nami. Okay, that's how you say your name. I always forget how to say your name because, yeah. Nami. Okay. Why doesn't it all talk to circles? Because there's no point. Flab, that's not the correct answer. Why doesn't AOL talk to circles? Because if you do, you look like a psycho. Oh my gosh, no, I'm so bad at this. Never mind. Your joke is better, Flab. You're too nice. No, I'm not nice. You're nice. Everyone else is nice. I'm a devil. I'm supposed to be mean. Mean. Alec, me, and Flab become comedians. Yes, comedians. And cure our emotional damage. Then ruin your social. Then you... what? Then you have social status damage. These mass dad jokes are fine. Fire. Not fine, sorry. I have glasses on and I still can't read the comments. Oh my goodness. Trauma from my debut stream. Haha, that's okay. Your answer is more correct. I'll do awkward jokes and the other two are funny ones. They didn't let us use calculators in class. Oh gosh, no, what the hell? What country or what era did you what time period did you do school in? I remember. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Cause 7, 8, 9. Oh please keep giving me these math jokes. Oh my gosh. Keep bringing them in. Oh my gosh, it's so funny. Anyways, you're distracting me again. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's continue. Don't really need calculator depending on topic though, not gonna lie. I agree. I don't use a calculator for actually, I don't know. I don't know which topic. For this topic, you don't need a calculator. I don't think. Unless you're putting in numbers. But anyways, okay, this is a quotient rule. Ta-da! Wow! Okay, let's continue. I hope you guys making notes. Or else in the exam, you get emotional damage. Okay. Now, same symbol that I used last time, okay? This is the equation. If function of... Wait, how do you even say this? Can someone help me? For some reason, I don't know how to say this one. Anyways, okay. The derivative of this equation is... Now this is a rule. I can't really explain why this is this, but this is just the rules. You first find the derivative of f of g of x. F of g of x. I think that's right, yeah. F of g of x. Okay. Then we can find the derivative of f times derivative of g. Now that's the rule. I do not know why, but that is the rule. Then, here is another way of annotating or writing this. We got f of x to the power of n. Now, n, if you think about it, we can see it as f of x being the original, like, g of x over here, right? And then x to the power of n is the f of x of the original over here. Does that make sense? Let me write it out. This can be seen as, because this is a different way of writing it. Oh, okay, okay. No problem. No problem, Nami. So we can say it is kind of like f of x. Actually, this is a better way to show it. Wait a minute. Let's change this to this. There we go. We can see that it kind of is if f of x is like xn, like that, right? Let's say is that, then we can say this is therefore f g x. Does that make sense? Okay, you can stay a bit longer. Okay, okay, I'm happy. Have a nice dinner. Yeah, have a nice dinner. I hope you guys have eaten or will be eating soon and have a balanced meal, okay? That's very important for big brain development. I can't even speak properly. Big brain development is very important. Velty, will you do more math streams? Yes, of course. This is my second one already. If you guys haven't already, checked out the first one. Please do. I went over trigonometry, radians, circles. Yes, very fun. Very big brain questions I brought up. Please no. Yes, you. Don't worry. Only one math stream every 2 weeks. That's my plan. We gotta teach future leaders how to do maths, because that will definitely help with leadership and dominating the world in some way. Don't really know how, but something like that. I can help you beat Outlaws Whistleblower Velty with maths? Sure. Let's do it. Anyways, so yeah, basically this is kind of a version of this, as you can see. So the rule kind of still works, and how we do that is that equals n oh, sorry, that's a G. It kind of will look like this. That will be the derivative. She's secretly teaching us how to figure out the distance from South Africa to the North Pole via toilet paper. Yes. Ooh, I can show you Velty all the real world examples and she can show you. This stuff is very useful. Yes, it would help to show real world problems where this is a thing. Velty would help if you show where these things are useful with real world examples. Otherwise, it's just dry text. Real world examples, as Loki has said, where is it? Where did Loki say this? Oh no, I'm trying to find. With teacher Velty, soon you can determine the curvature of your favorite waifu chest. There we go. Real world problems. Very useful. Which school told us that earlier? Then we would have kept that knowledge in our head for the rest of our lives, right? Wait, you guys don't like dry text? When is the exam? At the end of the stream. We still have 20 minutes. Do not fall off to sleep, please. Are you guys still awake? Thumbs up. Everyone here? Everyone still here? Oh no, Big G. What did you write? No, Big G! No! Oh gosh, Big G. Every time you say something, it just sounds so wrong. What did Big G say last time that sounded really wrong? Big G said, oh, the other time, he said, I have a toilet paper next to my computer. Don't ask me why. And I was over there like... Okay. Anyways... Toilet paper, yeah. Oh my gosh, that was so bad. Okay, anyways, let's not talk about the past. Let's move on. Why do you do this to me? I'm so sorry, Harry, but it was just so funny. It was funny. I'm sorry, Harry. I just had to. It'll be our inside joke for a long time. Which game I should do next? All you gotta do is to subscribe. Oh, oops. That gave me emotional damage. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. I mean, I still have the toilet paper. Oh my gosh, Harry. Okay, bye Nami. Goodbye. Have a good rest of your day. I hope you can come more often and we can spend more time together. Bye bye. Okay, if you can. Okay. Alright. Emotional damage, Harry. Alright, let's move on. Okay, so as I said, there are different symbols which we can use to represent gradient. That being derivative of f of x, like that. Or we could use different, you know, some different letters like g of x or like this, you know, like different ones we can use. Another example is writing it like this, dy over dx. Or the way I wrote it the few times before, like that, where you put the brackets and then you write, you know, like whatever equation it is. Oh, oops. Oh, we got y, derivative of y. So y being like, you know, like a very simple straight line equation. I'm not sure what different countries like use to represent. Like maybe they don't use M or C, maybe they use other letters. But in my country, we use y equals mx plus c. Now let's just move on. That's different ways of writing, you know, the gradient. Now, shall we do some examples? Uncle Velty will teach you how to write good numbers. Carrie is an innocent boy. Nothing wrong with what he says. I guess everyone else is just not innocent. I wonder what is in Velty's mind. I wonder too. I say if this happens next stream, I will drink hot sauce. Welcome back, Charlie. You missed a lot. I like to believe Big G is innocent until proven, Big G. Welcome back. You missed nothing and everything, Charlie. They call me Big Innocent G for nothing, Alec. I'll send my YouTube videos on Twitter when you're done. Okay, no problem. Y equals M times MC plus A. Oh, I'll let you copy my drawings, notes. Alec, what is that? Maths, I see. Drawing, yay. How to write numbers. Numbers are... Harriet, it's okay. Today is your day. Me lurking. You're lurking. You're not paying attention, Shu. No, they didn't make notes for you, Charlie. They made drawings. Well, if you have time for a recap. Alright, time for recap. Alright, no problem. Right, rule number 1. Let's say, if fx equals... Let's do a recap, okay? Let's do rule 1. If x equals 12x, what's the answer? Let's do recap. I think this will be our final quiz. Let me write a poll up. What's the answer? No emotional damage. X. How do you do the uppercase thing, my Bob? Where's the uppercase thing? Oh, there it is. I'ma do a quiz here. Sorry, there's all numbers all over the place. I hope these answers are alright. Anyways, there we go. Let's see. Sorry, everything's all over the place. I'm not human. I'm not human. Oh no, what the hell? Sorry, that wasn't my doing. What the hell with Streamlabs? I'm sorry, I don't know what you wrote. I hope it was okay though. Winter Hell was timed out by Streamlabs for 1 second. It's just 1 second. What? Who said 12? Who said 12x? Okay, I'll wait for the answer. I think already. Alright, the correct answer is 24x. 24x. Why is that? Because if you look at this, okay. If we write it out exactly like rule 1 and do every step, it'll be 12 times 2 x to the power of 2 minus 1, which equals 24 x to the power of 1, which basically is 24x. Did you guys get it right? I am smart. Thank you. Okay, so ooh, yay, I got it right. Well done, well done, well done, everyone. Gee, who could have said 12x? Maybe people who were drawing, Alec. What do you think? I didn't write down, I paused. I wish it was that easy. You're like, I don't know the answer. I'm just not gonna write anything, and then you get the points because you're honest. You're honest. It's okay, Charlie. No worries. I heard the answer on stream before I figured it out. Oh, they call me Big Brain G for nothing. Drawing damage. Yes, you gotta have drawing damage after VELTY gets a hold of it. Imagine googling the answer, it wouldn't probably come out correct. Alright, let's go and do another one. Let's tackle rule number 2. If fx equals kx, then f to the power of x equals k. Okay? Remember that. I mean, what? F of x equals kx, then f the derivative of f of x equals k. There we go. Sorry. So, if fx equals 99x, then what's the derivative? Hi, Kawaii Onion. Welcome to the stream. Let's see. Okay. There we go. What's the answer? Oh, is this a test? Yes, Kawaii Admin. It is a test of how smart you are. Oh, I see one answer. Emotional damage. The horns are gone. Sorry, because my shortcuts are all the numbers. As you can see, I can wear everything out, as you can see. So when I press the numbers, my other stuff come out. All right. We got 8 votes in. Nice. Right. Majority answered. Drum roll. Correctly. A. Well done. The correct answer is 99. And the reason why is because if we use rule 1, then it's like this. simple. I just explained it a little bit more in detail. The drawing guide the way. I want to click 99. Click 99 to power. Ah, no worries, Harry. We understand. Cool. Got it? Understand? Okay. Next. Let's go and continue. We shall go to rule 3. Rule 3. Yes. So rule 3. If f of x equals k, then the derivative of f of x equals 0. Right. It's just being very extra. Okay. There we go. Let's find the answer to this question. It takes a while for me to write it out. There we go. Why are you angry, Velty? Oh, I don't know. So many things happening at once. What's going on? So confused. Here we go. Emotional damage. Why is it so funny and I keep saying it? Uncle Velty must not stray away from her origin. She is Uncle Velty, not Steven, huh? Matt, it's emotional. No. No. No, that's not why. Okay. We gonna close the test. 1, 3, 2, 1, and boop. Alright. Majority got it correct. Wait a minute. Okay, I was testing, guys. The answers are all wrong. That's a correct answer, Marcus. I can't believe no one noticed. Everyone answered wrong. Uncle Velty was testing you guys. You guys all got it wrong. It's not that she did not make a mistake. I was checking if you guys were focusing. Yes, totally. Okay. Let's go back. The answer is 0, Barkers. No problem, Winterhell. Sorry, Winterhell. I'm a barker. Uncle Steven. Hi, Captain Stern. I said there was no correct answer. I told you it's X. Just so children X has superpowers. So X killed all the soldiers. It's okay. And X is now 0. I think I just lost brain cells. Okay, anyways, let's explain why that's the answer. Let's say it is. Now if we're gonna follow the rule 1 to understand this better, it cannot be like that, okay? Because it's basically like 10,007 times 1. 1 can be written as x to the power 0. Just to explain how this could be, how to apply rule 1 to this case, I guess, to explain it and visualize it. So it'd be like this. Wait a minute. That doesn't make sense. Oh, it does make sense. Oh, wait. There you go. If that makes sense. Faulty damage. Faulty damage. I'm embarrassed. I've shown how stupid I am in the stream. What is 10 billion times 7 billion times 1 million times 5 times -9? Velty. It equals Velty. I don't even have brain cells. How dare you? Hi Kevin. Are you good at math, Velty? From what happened just now, no, but I would say I'm decent. I'm decent at it. Alec called me damaged. Alec, how could you? Well, to confirm the sum of all the space and time. Wait, why did I draw a line? What happened? Alright, anyways, let's continue. Let's continue. Right. Let's do product rule. Let's do the product rule. Let's see. Let's do a more difficult one. Okay. dy over dx. Determine dy over dx if y equals okay, there we go. I'ma give you guys time to do this one. Apply the product rule. I'ma write a pull up while you guys do it. So it's y equals bracket 5 minus 5x minus x to the power of 5 bracket open bracket px squared plus p close bracket open bracket 2 pi plus 2x close bracket. Alec is drawing. No. I just realized something. I have to write the answer out. I have to type the answer out. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I don't. Oh wait, no, I can't even write it all out. There we go. I can't write the answer out in this one. What is the answer? Nope. This is the answer. Emotional damage or VELTY. VELTY is also to everything. Exactly, Harry! Oh my gosh, I think Harry got the... Is Harry the only one that got the right answer? Gee, I wonder what I picked. I wonder, Alec. Okay, pulls over. The correct answer is VELTY. Just kidding. Okay. Okay, let's do this properly. Okay. So we gotta break this down, okay? As I said, we tackle one thing at a time. And each time we just plus it together, okay? So you can see this as this being, you know, for example, f of x. Then we see this one, for example, as g of x. Then we have... let me find the color. We got this one, which we can say is h of x. Okay. Now we're gonna do it one at a time. So dy over dx will equal... Now we're gonna, before we write out everything, we're gonna, you know, for, I guess, just being organized and making sure that we answered the questions, all the components, we're gonna write out the functions first. Like that. And then we write the actual answer down. So if we look at 5 minus 5x minus x to the power of 5, the derivative of that, if we use the rule 1, we know that 5 equals 0 minus 5x equals minus 5. Minus x to the power of 5. And if we use rule 1, so this function kind of like tackled all of rule 1, rule 2, and rule 3. So for this one, it would be minus 5x to the power of 4. Because it'll be negative 5, so 1. Oh, what am I saying? $62.8 emotional damage. Look at this rocket science. It's 10 to 5, 12, 20, 25 in alphabet. That says VELTY. Oh. I'm dying. For looking like one of those bots. Say Portuguese number VELTY. I don't know what Portuguese is. Her girl. I mean, I can't speak Portuguese. I mean, I know Portuguese. I just can't speak it. Okay, let me continue. And then we write out the rest as usual. We keep the rest of the equation the same. And then we say plus, because we're gonna tackle the second one, the second bracket, px squared plus p. So it'll be, now we're gonna keep the rest of the equation the same besides that one bracket. So we keep 5 minus 5x minus x to power 5. Then we change px squared plus p and make it a derivative. So that would be 2px, and then p is basically 0. So we leave it like that. We close the bracket. Then we write the rest of the equation the same. 2 pi plus 2x. So we got the second bracket down. So we tackle the last bracket. Plus 5 minus 5x minus x to power 5. Px squared plus p. Now we tackle the last bracket, which would be, so 2 pi is it might like put you off guard, but it is just a number, so we leave it. We leave that. 2 pi equals 0. We leave that. That's just gotta be some random number. 2 times, what is 2 times pi? 2 times pi, it'll just be 6.28, as Vert said. So that basically equals 0. And then 2x, if we use rule 1, would just be, would just be 2. And just leave the answer like that. There we go. I think I got it, Velty. That's good. Okay, bye, Alexander. Thank you for coming. Okay, bye, Shu. Well, anyways, yeah. I guess, do we need to go over the quotient rule and chain rule? Or are we good? I should end the stream. What do you think? You have cracked the code, Alec? What do you mean? I'm confused. I will eat and drink something. I will return. Oh, grandma, but I'm ending the stream. No, me. 2fx. If no, wait, like 2fx. You covered 2 or 3 lectures in one stream. Well done. No problem. I just hope everyone understood. But no, I think I'm gonna finish this section. I should just end like 2 hours as I always do. I think I should end it when I'm on time, because it kind of makes sense. Once I finish the section, I'll end exactly when I should be ending the stream. So let me just continue. Let me continue. We'll do this quickly. I won't ask for answers. I'll just show it to you. All right, let's do a quotient rule. Right. let's say if y equals 2x squared minus 3x plus 4 over 6x squared plus 3, find dy over dx. Okay. So, the quotient rule. We have to use a quotient rule. So, dy over dx. Let's say this one is fx, right? And this one is gx. Then, the answer would be... So let's first write out the rule. So we know that we answered all the components of the question. Okay, the answer to this. I just had a brain. Okay. All right. Let's do this. So that would be 4x minus 3 times 6x squared plus 3 minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 4. And then the derivative of g of x is 12x. Now those are all using rule 1, rule 2, and rule 3. Now let's move on. Gx squared is 6x squared plus 3 squared. And that's the answer. Brain damage. I like math streams. Feels like I'm enjoying myself and learning stuff. That's good. If possible, next time to have practical real-world examples would be cool, but it's not mandatory. It just helps it stick easier. Ah, okay. Okay, Winter Hell. I'll keep that in mind. Pain Velty. Friends, you just need to follow the recipe. The recipe is a formula. The hard part is remembering it. Yeah, the most important thing is to remember the rules, because once you memorize them, it becomes easier. You can do all the difficult derivatives once you know the rules off by heart, or yeah, it becomes easier. But it only becomes easier and easier and easier if you practice. So practice maths, guys. Practice maths. Even if you're done with school, you know, you don't want to waste your... You don't want to think that you wasted your childhood doing this for nothing, okay? So keep doing it, even if you're grown up. Because it kind of just... I don't know if you have time, that is. Because I don't want to be a granny one day and realizing that I wasted my time learning all these math stuff when I was at my peak. Learning all this stuff at my peak for nothing. Okay? Hello, anime boy. Welcome to the stream. Whoa, big brain. Anyways, I got carried away. Let's continue. Alright. Now let's do the last thing. What's the last one? Chain rule? The chain rule. I love the chain rule. Let's do the chain rule. Velty gonna go faster and faster. Let's see what I can do. Alright. That's the question. Let's see how fast you can do this. Okay. So that would be 10 times... Oh, wait. Before I do that, sorry. I'm getting carried away. Let's write out the equation. That would be, so dx would be fx 10, which would equal 10 5x. And then we do the derivative in the brackets. So we first do the derivative of the brackets because that's kind of like the other function. So we first find derivative of the other function, x being f of x, if that makes sense. So it's like g of f of x. So g of fx is 10, would be like, you know, like for example, 10 fx. Not, if that makes sense. Here we go. That would be the derivative of gx, of g of x. And then we move on to the equation inside the brackets is the 5x squared plus 2x minus 3. And that would give you 10x plus 2. Now we can times out the brackets. Like that. Then we got it all easy. So you times the brackets like this. There's the answer. Equation damage. Alec, what are you saying? Anyways, yes, this is the answer. I hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. Take a snap or something if you want to keep this, you know, just example. And then let me just grab it all out. The section's done, yay! Oh, also we didn't finish. Last thing. Here are the rules of the trig equation that I said I would go over. Just memorize this for now. This is your homework for today. To memorize the trig equations, definite derivatives. The trig derivatives, trigonometric derivatives. These are just the rules. I cannot explain why sine x, the derivative of sine x is cos x, but yeah, some genius behind this came up with this. So we just gotta learn it like sheeps. Like sheeps. I don't know. I think once you get deeper into mathematics, you probably have explanations and stuff. But obviously, I'm do I look like a mathematician to you? No, I'm not a mathematician whatsoever. But also, you do not need to know any further if you are not a mathematician, I guess. A good knowledge, but not at this time. Not applicable at this time. No need to know. Okay, anyways, that's your homework. Take a screenshot, learn it off by heart. And I see you next time. By the way, I know today I was supposed to do a VELTY, but no worries. VELTY is back again next week, and we have a guest. Our guest will be... I cannot tell you who she or he is. I have actually got a few guests in line, and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Blah, I can't believe this is coming true. Anyways, I finally have guests on my show, not just people in Mysteria anymore. Anyways, yeah, I'm getting excited, but yes. Hope you guys look forward to that. VTuber giving homework. This place truly has it all. Yes. So thank you for watching today. Thank you for being such nice students. Whether you guys actually did the work or not, I don't mind. Just know that you have been warned. You have a toilet paper that has been thrown at you, so you better watch out in the next class. Okay? Okay. Anyways. This guest is Rick Astley. The guest is drumroll Velty. Hey. Hey, we did the work. Sort of. No problem, Flav. No problem. I've thrown by Velty. Yes. I threw myself. Eh? Thank you for the stream. No problem, Winter Hell. I apologize for all the little mistakes I made. Sometimes the big brain does have a little bit of damage. Some brain damage. And Velty is damaged. So, don't mind me being weird. I'm a very weird person. I don't know if you guys know. Now that I'm very comfortable streaming, like very like I have my knee propped up. I have my freaking feet propped up like Uncle Roger. Uncle Roger had to put down his knee. I did not yet, and I just don't know. I feel like I'm so comfortable streaming now. Yeah. I remember even like it's a habit. I don't think I ever told you, told my chat, but I have a habit of putting my leg up, like onto the chair, and sitting like those old ladies in Korean in Korean history or something, you know, like I don't know how to explain. I need to find a photo. Why did you say frick, Velty? I didn't say frick. I said Rick, baka. Yeah. Kawaii. I said Rick. Let me find a photo. I can't find it. What? I can't find one. But yeah, I've seen for what? But yeah, I've seen much for not sit in your chat. Forgive me, Goddess Velty. No problem, Hagoromo. Get your feet down. Hiya, nephew. Uncle Roger. You didn't miss anything, Demon. It's okay. Don't worry. Velty is ancient historical figure confirmed. Someone missed class. Yes, but I need... where can I find it? This is not a good photo. Let's see if I can find the picture. I don't think I can find one. Why is it so hard? Huh. Okay, I can't find one. It's fine. It's fine. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Auto damage. Alex called everything damage. What is it? I didn't say frick, and the frick counter went up to 1. Velty's so angry, she always putting her leg down. Velty put her leg down after what Kawaii Onion said. Picture go away when you need them. True story. It's fine. You know what? Never mind. Let's forget about the photo. As long as you guys can imagine, then yeah. Anyways, sorry. I'm thinking what I'm supposed to be saying. Oh, I should be saying goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry I couldn't find the photo of the leg putting up thing, but I think you guys can imagine it if you guys watch Uncle Roger, the way he props up his feet and stuff. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the support, all the watch times. Yeah, thank you so much. Goodbye. You guys have been good students. I shall pass on more knowledge in the future. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. 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 Whoa. Sorry, I'm being weird. Bye.